name are you? This is my friend. His name is David Mates. We is 11 years old. We is sword. We like spaghetti. We doing like basketball. His favorite sport is football. We is special for me. Because is my friend.
Hello, this is my laptop. This is my brother. He is from Spain. His name is Suleiman. He likes chocolate and Real Madrid. He doesn't like Swiss chard. He is 4 years old. His favorite sport is football and running. He is tall. He is special for me because he is my brother. I play the guitar badly. I play the drums well.
Hello, this is my laptop. This is my mom. Her name is Maria Jesus. She from in Zaragoza. She lives in Calatorao. She likes cooking. She don't like swings. Her favorite color is red. She is special for me blockhouse because of my life.
This is my dog. Its name is Colega. It is from Arnedo, Spain. It lives in Arnedo. It is some months old. It like milk. It doesn't like people that it doesn't know. Its favorite sport is running. It is special for me because it is my pet.
Hello, this is my notebook. This is my mother. Her name is Annie. She's from Romania. She lives in Calatrava. She's 31 years old. She is short and she has got short hair. She likes cooking. She doesn't like spiders. Her favorite sport is volleyball. Her favorite color is purple. Her favorite book are novels. Her favorite food is soup. She's special for me because she helped me a lot when I was younger. My weekend, Saturday. I went to the gas station last weekend. I read a comic last weekend. Sunday. My mom told me I was going to have a new brother or sister. I saw a film on TV.
Hello, it's my logbook. This is my brother. His name is Asier. I from Zaragoza. He lives in Calatorao. He is 1 year old. He is short and nosy. He likes kissing. He doesn't like sleeping. His favorite color is blue. He is special for me because he's my brother.
Hello, my name is Hannah. years old. There is my sister. Her name is Amal. She is from Zaragoza. She lives in Calatrava. She is 12 years old. She is happy. She like going out with her friends. She doesn't like playing football. She favorite color is purple. She is special for me because it's my twin sister.
Hello, this is my lab book. My sister is called Lucia. She is 10 years old. She has got brown eyes. She is 146 meters tall. She likes talkings, hugging, and dogs. She loves running, animals, dogs, horse, and food, pasta. She is special for me because this is my sister.
Hello, this is my lab book. This is my sister. Her name is Rebecca. She is from Calatrava. She lives in Zaragoza. She is 27 years old. She is funny. She likes dogs. She doesn't like rats. Her favorite sport is basketball. She is special for me because she is my sister.
Hello, this is my lab book. This is my pet. Its name is Manchito. It lives in Calatrava. It's from New York. It is 5 years old. It is small. It likes 15. It doesn't like cats. Its favorite sport is running. It is special for me because it is my pet since I was 6 years old.
Hello, this is my lab book. This is my mom. Her name is Silvia. She is from in Romania. She likes fish. She don't like mice. She is 39 years old. Her favorite color is black. She is short. She is special for me because she's my mom.
Hello, this is my lab book. This is my younger cousin. Her name is Paula. She is from Zaragoza, Spain. She lives in Zaragoza. She is 3 years old. She is friendly and funny. She likes taking care of babies. She doesn't like football. Her favorite color is pink. She is special for me because she is my younger cousin.
Hello, this is my lab book. This is my sister. Her name is Ainhoa. She lives in Calatrava. She is from Calatayud. She loves piercing, chocolate, and playing sports. She doesn't like sweets. She is 15 years old. She is friendly. Her favorite color is pink and purple. She is special for me because she's my sister.
Hello, this is my lab book. This is my younger brother. His name is Kenai. He's from Zaragoza, Spain. He lives in Calatrava. He is 2 years old. He likes playing. He doesn't like sleeping. He's special for me because this is my younger brother.
Bye bye!